GPT-5 Horizon Beta is absolutely insane and it's completely free. Today, I'm putting it to the test. An AI that builds full 3D games, interactive websites, and entire applications in seconds. No code, no design skills. I ran this thing through 10 different challenges, and what it did is going to blow your mind. This could replace entire game studios, and it's completely free right now. Wait until you see what this thing can do. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Mike, and this is the AI Forge, where we focus on evidence over hype. Right now, everyone is talking about GPT-5. When's it coming out? What will it do? But while everyone's waiting, there's this thing called Horizon Beta that's flying under the radar. After testing it for the past week, I think it might be more impressive than anything OpenAI has shown us. Here's what happened. I gave this AI 10 different challenges. Build me a 3D game, create a landing page, make a racing game. Each time, I expected it to fail. Each time, my jaw hit the floor. Let me show you exactly what went down. Test number one, I started simple, or so I thought. Create a minimal 3D game prototype using 3.js. You know, just a simple character moving around some terrain, maybe some basic collision detection. What I got back was insane. A full 3D world with glowing pickups you could collect for points. The graphics looked like something from a real game studio, not some basic wireframe mess. This was polished, this was playable. I didn't expect that result at all, but that was just the beginning. Test number two, I pushed it harder. Make me a first person maze game. Full 3D WASD movement, mouse controls, timer tracking, the whole thing. And it delivered. A complete 3D maze. Dark, atmospheric. Like something you'd play at 2 a.m. I got lost in there for 20 minutes trying to find the exit. That's not a bug. That's good game design. Test 3 got crazy. I asked for a 3D space shooter, moving ship, projectiles, enemy AOI, health systems, game over screens. What came back looked like a real indie game. You're flying through space, shooting obstacles, dodging attacks. The UI was clean. The gameplay was smooth. This wasn't some broken prototype. This was something you could actually put on Steam. Now here's where it gets really wild. I decided to test it on something completely different. Not games, but landing pages. For test 4, I asked it to build a responsive landing page for a fictional AI game studio. Hero section, animated 3D background, product showcase, email sign up. The result? A fully interactive landing page that looked like it cost $10,000 to build. Professional animations, clean design, everything worked perfectly. Test 5, same thing, but for a crypto metaverse project. 3D rotating logos, animated buttons, timeline roadmaps. It created something called Nebulaverse with a moving 3D universe background. The kind of landing page that converts visitors into customers instantly. But this AI is supposed to be about building games and websites, so I kept pushing the game side. Test 6. Build me a 3D racing game. Looping track, lap timers, drifting physics, restart buttons. It built a working 3D car game with actual physics. The car handled like a real racing game. You could drift around corners. The timer worked perfectly. Test 7 got weird. I asked for a relaxing 3D fishing game, water effects, fishing rod mechanics, random fish catching. What I got was beautiful, like sitting by a calm lake at night. The water looked real. The rod mechanics felt natural. It was actually relaxing to play. Test 8 brought me back to landing pages, this time for a tech gadget with an interactive 3D model viewer. Users should be able to rotate the product, see pricing, and purchase. The result? A professional product page for something called the Erspo Nova Pulse X1. complete with a 3D model you could spin around and examine. Test 9 really pushed its limits. Build me a Minecraft-style voxel world. Player movement, mouse look, click to add or remove cubes. It actually did it. A 3D voxel world where you could walk around, look with the mouse, and build and destroy blocks. It wasn't perfect, but you could see the incredible potential. Test 10 was my final challenge, a 3D physics game where you launch balls to knock over stacked boxes. Mouse aiming, adjustable power, reset buttons. The result looked like a 3D billiards game. You could throw balls around in 3D space, and the physics, they worked. Now, here's what blows my mind about all this. Each of these took minutes to create, not hours, not days. Minutes. No coding required from my end, no 3D modeling, no texturing, no physics programming. I just described what I wanted in plain English, and Horizon Beta built it. But here's the kicker. This thing is free right now. While most AI tools charge you per use, Horizon Beta is in testing. So they're letting people use it for free while they work out the bugs. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. There's gotta be a catch. And here's the honest truth. Some of the games had small issues. The box knocking game didn't work perfectly. The Minecraft clone wasn't as smooth as the real thing. But remember, these are prototypes built in minutes by an AI, not games developed by teams of humans over months. The potential here is massive. Think about this. Right now, building a 3D game requires learning programming, understanding 3D graphics, mastering game engines, hiring artists. With Horizon Beta, you describe your idea and get a working prototype in minutes. Want to test a game concept? Done. Need a quick landing page for a client? Done. This changes everything for entrepreneurs, marketers, and creators. Imagine you're running an agency. A client wants an interactive website demo. Instead of hiring a developer for $5,000 and waiting 2 weeks, you generate it in 10 minutes for free. Imagine you're launching a product. Instead of paying $15,000 for a landing page, you create multiple versions instantly and test which converts better. But here's what really gets me excited. This is just the beginning. If Horizon Beta can do this now, in beta, imagine what the final version will be capable of. And if this relatively unknown AI can create 3D games and professional websites, imagine what GPT-5 will be able to do when it finally launches. We are living through the biggest technology shift in human history, and most people are sleeping on it. While everyone is debating whether AI will take their jobs, smart people are using AI to build their businesses. Speaking of building businesses with AI, if you want to learn how to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with automation, check out my AI Success Lab. I'll drop the link in the comments. We've got over 14,000 members learning how to use these tools to grow their companies. Now, let me give you some practical ways to use Horizon Beta right now. First, if you're in marketing or sales, use it to create interactive demos for your clients. Second, if you're an entrepreneur with a game idea, use it to create quick prototypes. Third, if you're a content creator, use it to make interactive content for your audience. Fourth, if you're a freelancer, add this to your service offerings. Suddenly, you can offer 3D web development without knowing how to code. And fifth, if you're an educator, use this to create interactive learning experiences. The key is to think beyond just games and websites. This is about rapid prototyping, quick concept testing, and fast iteration. In the old world, you'd have an idea, hire developers, wait months, and spend thousands to find out if your idea worked. Now, you can test ideas in minutes for free. This changes the game completely. But here's what most people will do. They'll watch this video, Think it's cool? Then do nothing. Don't be most people. Go test Horizon Beta today. Try my challenges, see what you can build, push its limits, because while everyone else is waiting for the future, you could be building it. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here, and tools like Horizon Beta prove it. Remember, this is still in beta, it's free now, but that won't last forever. Get in while you can, test it, play with it, build something cool, then come back and tell me what you created in the comments below. So there you have it. The proof is right there on the screen. This is the kind of game-changing tech we cover every single week. If your mind is as blown as mine, do two things for me. Hit that subscribe button and then click to watch this video right here, where I uncovered another secret AI that's changing the world. Thanks for forging with me. See you in the next one.